Hey girl, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is LaMonica. If you've been here before, thank you girl for clicking on this video. So by the title, you can see that I'm going to be doing a pregnancy Q&A. I asked you guys to ask me some questions a while ago on Instagram and here on the community tab on YouTube. So I'm going to answer those, but it is going to be a voiceover because my baby, babies be babying. And so I couldn't really talk, do my makeup, answer the questions and all that. So it is going to be a voiceover from here. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up for more mommy and pregnancy content that you want to see, as well as makeup tutorials, because this right here, girl, this fall beat, I forgot I had it in me. But nevertheless, if you want to see and hear my pregnancy Q&A and then see this makeup tutorial or makeup look, then keep on watching. I was so excited and I also was nervous. If you've seen my finding out I'm pregnant and telling my husband video, make sure you check that out because I go more in detail on my feeling. It'll be listed in the description box below. But overall, I was super excited, nervous, couldn't believe it happened as soon as it did. And just like, wow, like God, you're so amazing. My favorite part about being pregnant was the catering to me. Man, my husband, he did not want me to lift a finger. You hear me? Eating the food that I wanted to eat, when I wanted to eat, sleep. And then, of course, the excitement of my belly growing, connecting with the baby that was growing inside of me, then finding out the gender, all the things, just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Will we have more kids? Now, this question people ask so suddenly. When you're pregnant, people ask this after you have the kid, before you have kids. Yes, by God's grace, we will have more kids. How many? My husband and I do have a number, but we're going to keep that private and also just, wait on the Lord when that time comes. But for right now, we're excited for the one that we have. We're enjoying it. We're learning. We're growing as a family, as a new family. So yeah. How did I prepare myself for this new stage? I mainly prayed. I mentioned this in my finding out I'm pregnant video, and any additional pregnancy videos after that. Mainly just giving it to God. My husband and I were on the same page as well, and just making sure that we were aligned, praying together, and just trying to stay positive, because that's what really is going to help you along the way. If you are pregnant in your pregnancy, if you're trying to get pregnant, you have to really alleviate stress. Anything that is going on around you that you can't control, that is not in your willpower, that is not your business, leave it where it is and just focus on you and your body. And so that's how I prepared myself throughout the remaining of the trimesters after finding out I was pregnant. Prior to getting pregnant, I was doing a lot of research anyway. I just love researching things and just finding things out on my own. Will I start a family channel? No, I think I'm just going to keep everything on this platform. My channel is lifestyle, beauty, and fashion. So the lifestyle aspect is where you'll see this mommy. That's why this mommy content is here. But no, not starting another channel. Biggest surprise nobody told me before pregnancy. Nobody told me the road would be easy, and I don't believe he's brought me this far to leave me. No, seriously, all jokes aside, just the entire thing. Even asking women in my life and friends, family, parents, no one talks about the journey ahead, the aftermath. I like to know results sometimes before getting into things, which is kind of weird, but I need to know what's at the finish line before I start this thing sometimes. And I know that could probably be a bad thing, in a sense to certain situations, but not knowing something is definitely, challenging. It's fearful, but nobody told me the back pains. Nobody told me, you'll be super emotional. Like, you read these things online, but when you're asking your parents or close friends and family, it's like, oh yeah, I did do this, I did do that. And then no one talks about the postpartum aspect. And so that's why I said, if you guys want me to do a postpartum video, I will definitely ask you guys some questions, or you guys ask me some questions, and we can go from there, because no one talks about the aftermath. Everyone's so excited about, oh, your belly bump. Oh, the baby's here. Let me see the baby. Want to see the baby. Got to see the baby. Oh, where's the baby? Where's the baby? But what about after? I had one of my good girlfriends, best friends, that asked me what was my plan for postpartum, and no one else asked that. So definitely make sure you have some type of idea or a plan for postpartum. Like, what do you want to do after? How do you plan to heal mentally, physically, spiritually, and things of that nature? Use your village. So yeah, that's what no one ever told me, and I learned it, and I'm telling you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up. See you guys in the next one. Bye.